Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt muffins. These delightful treats are incredibly simple to prepare and perfect for any time of day. Using yogurt in your batter creates an exceptionally moist and tender muffin, far superior to those made without it. We will walk through each step, from gathering your ingredients to enjoying your freshly baked goods. Get ready to bake some truly delicious muffins. First, let's prepare our wet and dry mixtures separately. In one bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, combine 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Now it's time to bake. Divide your batter evenly into a 12-cup muffin tin, filling each cup about 2/3 full. For a delicious twist, consider folding in 1 cup of fresh blueberries, raspberries, or chocolate chips before baking. Place them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Let them cool slightly before enjoying. For the best results, remember not to overmix your batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will lead to a more tender muffin. These yogurt muffins are absolutely delicious served warm, perhaps with a pat of butter or a light dusting of powdered sugar. They make a wonderful breakfast, snack, or dessert. Enjoy the process of baking and savoring these homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.